Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. This week it's going to be a lot of review, so we're going to start a little bit differently than we normally do, not with blending like we have been for the past several months, but with counting words in sentences, counting syllables, blending compound words, things like that. Okay, let's start by counting how many words are in each of these sentences. Listen closely, and then I'll show you on my fingers after you've had a second to count. Betty baked biscuits. That was 3. Dolphins dive deep. 3 also. Pink pigs picked pears. 4. Greg grows green grapes. 4 again. Rapid rabbits run races. And 4 again. Nice job. Okay, now we are going to count how many syllables are in each word. So I'm going to say a word, and then we'll clap it to count the syllables. Okay, here we go. The word is argument. Ready? Argument. 3. Lunchroom. Lunchroom. 2. Photograph. Photograph. 3. Grandfather. Grandfather. 3 again. April. April. 2. And the last one is deliver. Deliver. 3. Good job. I feel like we've had a lot of practice doing that during our number corner time, especially. Okay. I am going to say a sentence, and I want you to listen carefully for the sound that comes at the end of all of these words. Pam came home. What sound do you hear at the end? Good. Bill will tell. L. Ben ran in town. N. The cat, or that cat went fast. T. Good. Last one. Liz rides cows. Z. Good. Okay. Now we are going to do some vowel substitution. Remember, that is where we are replacing the vowel sound that if we were roller coastering the word, it would come at the top of the roller coaster. So in a word like cope, k-ope, we're replacing the O sound. Here we go. The first word is cope. Change O to A. Cape. The word is snack. Change A to E. Sneak. The word is rob. Change A to O. Robe. The word is kite. Change I to U. Cute. The word is those. Change O to E. These. The word is seed. Change E to I. Side. Last one. The word is tub. change a to u. Tube. Good job. Okay, now we are adding suffixes. So let's see. These first ones, we are going to add a word part that comes at the end of the word. That's a suffix. So I'm going to start with the word, and we're going to add the word part to the end. So let's do this one first one really slow so I can give you an idea of what it sounds like. So the word is have. The word part we're adding is ing. When we put them together, we have having. Having. All right, let's try another one. The word is will. Add ing to the end. Willing. The word is do. Add ing to the end. Doing. The word is boy. Add s to the end. Boys. The word is girl. Add s to the end. Girls. The word is friend. Add s to the end. Friends. Good. Now these next ones we are going to add a word part at the beginning. That's called a prefix. So we're starting with a word and then adding a word part to the beginning. So the word is do. Add un to the beginning. Undo. The word is like. Add un to the beginning. Unlike. The word is make. Add re to the beginning. Remake. The word is use. Add re to the beginning. Reuse. Good job.